Daily Dawn Vocabulary. With Urdu meanings. December 4th, 2022. For more upcoming new videos, subscribe our channel. Dawn Vocabulary with Urdu meaning. 1. Relentless, adjective.
कड़ा, शदीद, सख्त, बेरहम.
Unceasingly intense. Example, the relentless heat of the desert. 2. Devastating.
तबाकुन, शदीद अलमनाक, हौसला शिकन.
Highly destructive or damaging. 3. Perennial, adjective.
दायमी, सदरवा, 3 या 4 मौसमों में बाकी रहने वाला पौधा.
Lasting or existing for a long or apparently infinite time, enduring or continually recurring. Example, his perennial distrust of the media. 4. Hindrance, noun.
रुखना, खलल, आड़, रुकावट.
A thing that provides resistance, delay, or obstruction to something or someone. Example, a hindrance to the development process. 5. Insensitive, adjective.
बेहिस, बेज़ौक, कोरा.
Showing or feeling no concern for others' feelings. Example, an insensitive remark. 6. Symptomatic, adjective.
अलामती, इशारे का.
Serving as a symptom or sign, especially of something undesirable. Example, these difficulties are symptomatic of fundamental problems. 7. Mitigation, noun.
कमी, तख़फीफ, असल से कम का अंदाज़ा लगाना.
The action of reducing the severity, seriousness, or painfulness of something. Example, the identification and mitigation of pollution. 8. Rife, adjective.
गालिब, ताकतवर, जोरावर, इंतहाई भरा हुआ.
Especially of something undesirable, of common occurrence, widespread. Example, male chauvinism was rife in medicine. 9. Perils.
खतरे से दोचार करना.
The possibility that you will be hurt or killed or that something unpleasant or bad will happen. 10. Ambition, noun.
तमन्ना, आरज़ू, हवस.
A strong desire to do or achieve something. Example, her ambition was to become a pilot.
अज़्म, अहद वफ़ा.
11. Allegiance, noun.
अज़्म, अहद वफ़ा, बैत, इताअत.
Loyalty or commitment to a superior or to a group or cause. Example, those wishing to receive citizenship must swear allegiance to the Republic. 12. Periphery, noun.
मुहीत, घेरा, हुदूद, इलाके.
The outer limits or edge of an area or object. Example, new buildings on the periphery of the hospital site. 13. Clout, noun.
साफी, मुक्का, असर, पेविंद.
A heavy blow with the hand or a hard object. Example, a clout round the ear. 14. Brutal, adjective.
जालिमाना, बेरहम.
Savagely violent. Example, a brutal murder. 15. Ascendant, adjective.
गलबा पाना, उरूज, गालिब.
Rising in power or influence. Example, the newly ascendant Liberal Party. 16. Astute, adjective.
तेज फहम, होशियार, सियाना.
Having or showing an ability to accurately assess situations or people and turn this to one's advantage. Example, he had a reputation as an astute businessman. 17. Turbulent, adjective.
अफरातफरी से भरपूर, फितना पर्दाज.
characterized by conflict, disorder, or confusion, not stable or calm. Example, the country's turbulent history. 18. Intense, adjective.
बुलंद, शदीद, तेज,
Of extreme force, degree, or strength. Example, the job demands intense concentration. 19. Upheaval, noun.
खलबली, इनकलाब अजीम, हलचल,
A violent or sudden change or disruption to something. Example, major upheavals in the financial markets. 20. Assertive, adjective.
खुद एतमाद, दावा से कहने वाला,
Having or showing a confident and forceful personality. Example, the job may call for assertive behavior. 21. Robust, adjective.
ताकतवर, सेहतमंद, मजबूत,
Strong and healthy, vigorous. Example, the Kaplan family are a robust lot. For more upcoming new videos, subscribe our channel. Dawn Vocabulary with Urdu meaning. Like, subscribe, share and comments.